Hi, this is Mr. Chu and you're welcome to my study room. If today is your first time, you are warmly welcome. Kindly consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Same way, if you've been here before, then it's good to see you again. So far, I've started a study on circle theorems, and my last video was on the first theorem, which is about angles subtended at the center of a circle. Today's study is simple. We just want to take one question that applies this theorem in solving it. And that question is WASSCE 2021 Objective Question 30 of the General or the Core Maths paper. Let's go and solve the question quickly. Thank you. In the diagram, O is the center of circle PQRS. Angle PQR equals 72 degrees and line OR is parallel to line PS. Find angle OPS. Good. So this question directly makes use of the theory 1, which is just my video before this one, and we are going to apply that to solve our question. The fact that the question says O is the center of the circle, it means that this chord, remember when I was explaining in the theory 1, I said at times the chord might not even be joined. So it means that PR is a chord which subtends an angle at the center of the circle, and the same chord subtends another angle at the circumference of the circle O. So taking chord PR, which you can use your pencil to join this PR here with a broken line, you see that, let's work it together. Taking chord PR, you see that angle POR will be 2 times angle PQR according to theory 1. According to theory 1, this is the angle subtended at the circumference. So the angle subtended at the center will be twice this. So that's just what you are doing. And that will give us 2 times angle PQR is 72. So 2 times 72, which will give us 144 degrees. That is not all. So now we have this angle here, which is 144 degrees. But now the question is telling us that OR and PS are parallel. If they are parallel, then we take PO as a transversal, which is a straight line cutting through a parallel line. So if we are taking PO as a transversal, it means that if we should extend this line here, then we extend OR2 to the left. The angle formed here will be the same as the angle formed here, because there will be corresponding angle. If we should extend here, then the angle that will be formed here will be the same as the angle that will be formed here, because there will be corresponding angles. And corresponding angles are equal. But then we also know that that angle will be on a straight line with the POR that we have found, and angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees or are supplementary. So if the angle here will be the same as the angle here, then we can say that the angle here plus the angle here will give us 180. So let's try that. Angle POR plus angle OPS should give us 180. In fact, the way I explain it is just the simplest way of explaining for you to see the relationship between the corresponding angles. But the truth is that this angle and this angle are co-interior angle. If you are using the angle properties of parallel lines and a transversal, then the OPS, the POR and OPS are co-interior angle, and co-interior angles are supplementary. But so that is just what we should have said. But then it is the same as this one, saying this and this are corresponding angle look a bit easier. That is why I did that. So we can also write that as co-interior angles. Now we know POR as 144. So 144 plus angle OPS will be equal to 180. Angle OPS will be equal to 180 minus 144, which will give us 36 degrees. When we look through the possible answers there, our answer is option C. So this question is an application of theory 1 that we did. But I must add that mostly it's not only one theorem that is applied. As you can see, we applied angle properties in parallel lines and a transversal as well to guide us to solve. But because I am treating circuit theory, I have decided to pay more attention to the theory 1. Alright, so that is an application of theory 1 in solving questions. So for you to apply theory 1, you have to check whether a chord subtends an angle at the center, the circumference. Then you establish the relationship between them. I hope this solution has been of help to you to understand circuit theories more. If yes, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel for more videos. In our next study, we are going to take another theorem and then we take examples that are related to it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.